And I feel like we both agreed on James maybe being a breakout type of guy because
Yeah, yes, absolutely. Yeah, yeah. If there's one running back that kind of like sets himself apart from the others, absolutely. Like
and with our offense, that's the one position you can see a guy break out the easiest. So
yeah, 100%.
maybe I should just pick James as my guy because this offense is built for running the ball. You spread out the defense, you break that. Assuming we can steal the edge, there's a lot of room to make plays at the running back position.
Absolutely.